Hello everyone, this is the solution to the exercism problem Trinary, where we are given a string as an input and we have to convert it from base 3 into base 10, which is our decimal number system. Before we solve this problem, I think we should understand what we mean by bases. Bases refer to the number of digits in a certain given number system. For example, when we talk about the decimal number system, it is considered to be in base 10. Hence, it has 10 digits to denote its numbers, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is our base 10 system because it has 10 digits. Similarly, if we are to talk about base 2, which is binary, which is the number system used by computers, it has only two symbols, which is 0 and 1. Before we start converting from base 3 to base 10, we should understand how to convert from base 2 to base 10 so that we can get a grip on the logic that there is. So let us take an example of a certain binary number, say 101001. Alright. So in our decimal system, which is base 10, each increasing place denotes an increasing value of 10. For example, this is 10 to the 0, this is 10 raised to 1 and this is 10 raised to 2. And if we are to write a number, say denoted by digits x, y and z, we would write this as 100 times x plus 10 times y plus z. This would be our decimal number. Similarly, for binary, we can start denoting these digits as 2 raised to 0, this is 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. And following the same logic, I shall ignore these zeros because again the value will be 0 and we will add these values to it. Now 2 raised to 5 is 32, 2 raised to 3 is 8 and 2 raised to 0 is 1. If we add these, we will get 41, which is our answer. Similarly, if we are to take an example of a trinary number in base 3, let us take the example of something simple like 102. Let us start assigning the increasing powers of 3. This is 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2. Now if we ignore this 0 and add these two, we get 3 raised to 2, which is 9, plus 2 into 3 raised to 0, which is 2 into 1, which is 2. So the answer we get is 11. From here onwards, solving this problem in C++ becomes quite easy. Say we have a string which contains the exact number we discussed. We can simply check each character of the string and convert it to an integer and put it inside a vector. One thing to note is that we must subtract 48 from whatever integer value we get, because the value of 0 in ASCII encoding, which is the encoding which C++ uses to store characters in the form of numerals, the value of 0 is 48. So we have to account for that. Now once we have stored these digits inside a vector, we can simply start assigning them the power of 3. Let us start by doing the first digit, which is 3 raised to the size of this vector, which is 3 minus a certain counter which we will initially set to 1. We can repeat this for each value as we increment this counter. And we can simply add together the values we have obtained and return that integer. This is the code that I wrote to solve this problem, but I still recommend checking out the community solutions. Thank you.